In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Asana project seamlessly. Whether you're looking to have a tangible copy to keep track of your tasks, or simply prefer the feel of paper, printing from Asana can be a straightforward process once you know what to do. Let's dive right in and explore each step so you can accomplish this task easily and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your Asana project. This is your starting point, so make sure you've selected the correct project you want to print. Once you have your project open in front of you, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Right next to your project's title, you will find a small caret icon. This icon is your key to accessing additional options related to managing and exporting your project. When you click on that caret icon, a menu will expand before you. From this menu, you'll need to select the option that reads Sync or Export. This selection is the precursor to printing and will guide you to the appropriate next steps. Once you've clicked on Sync or Export, you will see a variety of options appear. Among these options, look for and click on Print. Now, here's where your browser steps in. Upon choosing the Print option, the print settings of your web browser will automatically show up. This segment is crucial as it determines the actual setup of your printout. You'll see various options here that allow you to customize how your project will look on paper. So, let's run through these quickly. First, you need to select your printer. If you're connected to multiple printers, make sure to choose the one that is most convenient for you or the one you usually use. Next, you'll want to set your page size. Standard sizes like letter or A4 are generally most useful, but choose the one that best fits your needs. It's also a good idea to determine the page orientation. Whether you want it to be portrait or landscape should depend on the content you're printing. Often, projects with a lot of tasks and categories will look best in landscape format, as it provides more horizontal space. Finally, glance over any additional settings your printer might offer, such as double-sided printing, color options, or margins, as these can further refine your printout to suit your purposes. And there you have it. With your settings adjusted to your liking, you can go ahead and hit that print button to bring your Asana project to life on paper. Remember, having a physical copy can help in planning sessions, meetings, or even for your own offline reference. Thanks for watching, and happy printing. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tips.